sila. Nako,
Yeah, a while ago, the question was about what is a product that you can use every day? At sabi nila, cologne. Is cologne there? Wow! You got it! Not even my tissue paper were there. Galing naman, Tita Ses! Hanep! Pane, 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 Hanep! Hanep!
Kaya ito na po
Galing,
ang
di ba?
ating final round.
Now it's time for the...
Brad Pitt, tara na po. Sinabi ito.
Now it's time for the fourth round, where you get to see Kuya Pekto and the old man, Brad Pitt. Oh, he has a hard time walking now. I think he's blind. I can sense that. Oh yeah, correct. Because he's wearing shades, he's blind.
Napakagaling
So, yeah.
ng mga komedyante, pero Kuya Pex, may mensahe ka ba kay Brad Pitt bago tayo mag-umpisa? Meron akong gusto sabihin sa'yo. Ano yun? May tanong ako. Ba? Anong lugar sa Pilipinas ang walang sibuyas? Ano? Di, La Union!
That was funny, Kuya Pekto. Grabe ka naman, Tita Nova. Sasampali kita, ha?
Wala, kasama, joke yun. Saan?
That was just a joke.
Ayun! Galing, Manolos.
That was so funny.
Grabe, top 4 top 4 answers.
Now here are the top 4 answers.
Sige ng dahilan kung bakit may taong hindi kumakain ng isda.
Malansa
Okay, perfecto.
or oily.
Allergy.
Yeah, I think I had that in the store. Allergic. Maybe allergic to seafood. That's what I thought of. Okay, not that quite high, but I know the top answer is oily or malansa.
Kumakain ng isda.
Pagbibigyan ba natin?
Ay nako, Brad Pitt.
Takot sa tinik. Takot sa tinik.
Ay nako, Brad Pitt, saan ka pupunta? Ay nako. Yeah, correct.
Pwede.
That's a good answer, Brad Pitt.
Pass or play? Play! Alright, play.
Ay nako. I hope Brad Pitt wins this time. Because Brad Pitt's my idol, especially with his yung kalele.
Ayaw kumain ng isda.
Malansa!
That's what I said. Correct. Oily or malansa.
Nakuha niyo na panalo na kaya si Selvin.
Oh my God, ako na naman.
Magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit may taong ayaw kumain ng isda. Ba't kaya?
Nababahuan.
Napapahuan.
Mabaho. Nope.
Gab.
Try mabaho because it's hard to wash.
Kiss. Survey says.
Amen.
Rex, one last. Ano kayang dahilan? Make out? Don't make out! Nandiyan ba yung gout?
Nope.
Ito na yung pagkakataon nila para makahabol. Kaya kailangan makuha nito.
Say mabaho.
Dahilan kung bakit may taong hindi kumakain ng isda. Mahal. Isda?
Okay.
Walang isda.
Kasi walang isda.
Walang isda.
Ito.
May shortage.
Magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit may taong hindi kumakain ng isda dito, Sir.
Hindi lang sila mahilig sila sa karne, parang yung anak ko.
Wala na.
Oh yeah, vegetarian. Correct.
Alright.
That's a good answer, Tita Ses.
Ito na po, nasa
Try
inyo
that
mga
one.
kamay.
Vegetarian.
Kung tama po sagot nyo, automatic panalo na kayo. Pero pag mali, mapupunta sa kanila lahat ng puntos. Magbigay
Sana
ng
manalo yung
dahilan
idol
kung
ko.
bakit may taong hindi
Si Brad
kumakain.
Pitt.
Lasang gilik.
Lasang?
Gilik.
Lasang gili.
Parang mud. Parang mud.
I think-
Lasang putik.
Bummer. Sayang di panalo yung idol
Isa
ko.
lang po to. Ano kaya hindi natin nakuha? Everybody, eyes on number 4.
Ayun.
Huh?
Process talaga sa...
I don't seem to understand that language.
Pihikat, same. Actually, same kayo. Dahil po dyan,
Ah! Yeah, that's what Tita Ses said. Diba what Tita Ses said? It's more on, ano yun, you're a vegetarian. So, pikisan o what? Maliksihan? Whatever you call that. Basta, paano mo yun sa YouTube to find out the answers.